The Dodge Challenger SRT Super Stock is the most powerful, street-legal Challenger ever built, boasting 807 horsepower from its supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8. This isn't just a brute on the strip, it's a fully integrated performance halo model in the Challenger lineup. Powertrain and performance characteristics. At the heart lies a tweaked Hellcat Redeye engine, churning out 807 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque. Power delivery is via a refined 8-speed automatic transmission capable of blistering shifts. The supercharger whine is unmistakable, guttural yet refined, underscored by a deep exhaust rumble noted in the review. Officially, the Super Stock rockets through the quarter-mile in 11.4 seconds at 129 miles per hour with regular pump gas, and runs 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.3 seconds, putting it not only ahead of many muscle cars but challenging exotic performance norms. Drag radial grip and handling surprises. Originally equipped with square-set 315/40 R18 Nitto drag radials, NT05R, later replaced by NT555 RII. This tire setup redistributes grip across all four corners, dramatically improving traction in a way Hellcats never could. Grip levels near 1.00 g lateral acceleration and a figure-8 lap time only 0.2 seconds slower than a Shelby GT500 reveal its cornering capability. Adaptive Bilstein dampers with drag strip calibration further enhance launch control and street ride comfort. Sport mode yields best overall handling, while track mode optimizes straight-line performance. Moreover, it shames stereotypes, braking from 60 miles per hour in just 99 feet and generating cornering grip usually unseen in muscle cars. Drag-specific features and launch control. Borrowing heavily from the Hellcat Demon DNA, the Super Stock includes drag-enhanced technology, launch assist to reduce wheel hop, torque reserve to preload boost at the line lock for burnouts, and race cooldown for post-run engine care. It lacks the Demon's transbrake, but regular launch control proves effective. Initial runs require feathered throttle to manage 807 horsepower without overwhelming traction. Chassis and weight management. Built off the Hellcat platform, the Super Stock includes wide body treatment and a lightened rear seat delete for a cleaner drag layout and minor weight savings, approximately 4,400 pounds curb. It shifts from 20-inch to 18-inch wheels to clear smaller Demon-style Brembo brakes, 4-piston, 14.2-inch discs, while retaining robust anti-roll bars. Bonuses include Demon-style wheels, 18x11 in alloy, matte bronze, sealed lug nuts, and dual-scoop Redeye hood. But it maintains a stealthy demeanor, no Super Stock badging, relying on insiders to spot the differences. Ride, comfort, and interior. Externally aggressive but internally tame, the Super Stock rides more compliantly than expected thanks to drag radial sidewalls and tuned damping. Seating remains wide-body Redeyes, cloth by default, with optional Alcantara and carbon fiber trim. Interior space is ample, legroom rivals modern sedans. However, the dated 8.4-inch Uconnect system lacks the latest tech, no wireless Apple CarPlay. Visual and stealth design. Disguised in plain sight, the Super Stock mimics the Redeye/Demon blend, Redeye hood plus Demon wheels. No public badging, only Monroney sticker reveals identity. The matte bronze-finished Demon wheels and covered lug nuts reveal the car's true nature, appreciated only by insiders. Market position and rarity. While Rebel Redeye and Demon always made noise, the Super Stock operates quietly yet potently. Production hovered around 1,600 units, 2020 to 2023, making it rarer than the standard Demon. Its MSRP began around $90,000 to $98,000. Dealer markup pushed this beyond $110,000. With low production numbers and high demand, Super Stocks frequently trade above sticker. Practical performance and owner feedback. Beyond straight-line heroics, the Super Stock offers a superb daily driving experience. Its ride is comfortable, transmission shifts are swift but not harsh, and steering is controllable, even in city traffic. Real-world owners have taken it to the 9.9s in the quarter-mile with tire/suspension tweaks. Comparison to Hellcat, Redeye and Demon. Positioned between Redeye and Demon in the Dodge hierarchy, the Super Stock tightens the performance gap without full Demon cost or notoriety. Hellcat Redeye is 717 to 797 horsepower, lacks drag radials and full drag suspension. Demon had transbrake and unlocked full racing potential, 840 horsepower, but was limited production. Super Stock offers 807 horsepower, drag hardware, and full production flexibility. What the video review highlights. The YouTube review emphasizes the engine's aggressive yet refined character, the chopping sound of the exhaust, and throttle-by-wire launch quirks, as well as daily usability, underpinning its dual nature, dragstrip monster and capable street car. Summary and final thoughts. The Dodge Challenger SRT Super Stock stands as a legendary high watermark for American muscle, street-legal yet drag-capable, powerful yet surprisingly refined. With 807 horsepower, drag-specific radials, demon-derived hardware, and AWD setups, it merges brute force with surprising handling, braking, and daily usability. If you're seeking a modern muscle apex predator, rare, fast, and stealthy, Super Stock delivers on all fronts. It's the Challenger with no apologies, and a roar to match.